So traders, the gold market has just opened up, and I want to give you a quick little update across the actual gold charts because looks like there could be something really setting up quite nicely when it comes to the gold market, or setting up that I think is important to understand as a trader and as an investor. One of the things that you've been hearing me say so many times is that this bull market will come to an end. We don't know when, but we're getting towards the end of that move, and we're starting to see the frothiness already in this market once again in these markets. And one of the things that I've been really sort of talking to you about is I really want you to I want you to understand this, okay? Whenever you're making a decision, look at the markets and make a decision based off your markets and not your thoughts. One of the big things I'm seeing so many individuals making such a big mistake right now, even when it comes to gold, is your thought. You think the end of the dollar is right now. You think the bubble is going to pop right now, and so on and so forth, or the debt bubble, okay? But here's one thing I do say. Always keep a look on this big weekly charts. And one of the things I've been talking about right now for the last few months is that if you're looking for the next big move out of gold, you've missed the boat. Okay, you've missed the boat. So many traders I'm seeing right now are getting in through this period, through that ever since we actually broke 2,800, all through here. I've been warning traders of not getting involved with this because you're getting towards the end of the move. This is the end of gold. This is the end of move of gold. This is not the start of a big move, right? Look at through the history of every single market, okay? I want you to be smart here. What happens is when the market's already made an extraordinary quality move. This is the end of gold right now. Now, the end of gold short term. This is probably going to start the peak out right now, and we're already starting to see that on this chart right here. Check out this chart here. So this is obviously the gold chart, and we're already starting to see what? First time we're starting to see it's actually starting to falter right now. And meanings, look at this here. We have been in a very big strong upward trend from here, but now we're starting to completely falter. If we do break, and I'm just looking back through here, yeah, if we do break this level from here to here, this is that support level from there. This is the resistance level all through here, and the resistance level all through here, okay? Resistance, look at the market doing. The market's making now a lower high. If gold breaks if the gold continues to have a bit of weakness here, and we do start to break past 3,250, it is game over for the bulls for now. And if we do that, we're probably likely to see a lot more downside to come. We are getting towards the end of this big bull move, and we're already starting to see that, right? As you see, look what's been happening for the last month now. Absolutely nothing. Why? It's running out of steam, okay? And there's been a big thing here is that the reason why gold's going up is because the central banks are buying. What happened to the central banks for the last week? What, did they go on holidays? Did they? Central banks went on holidays, and now they're not buying anymore. Like, let's look at it here, okay? So now we're seeing this through here, and we can see now once again by looking at this level from here, we can see that we're just starting to get a lot more frothiness. So the thing for me is once again this whole level all through here, right? And we're starting to see this whole level all through here and all through here, right? So we're getting towards this point right now. If gold breaks this major next support level, okay, this is the support level all through here. We're here. If gold does break this level from here, then we could start to see this thing start to have quite a nice move down towards at least on a bare minimum basis, this trend line down the bottom here. So that means gold could start to see a drop of a 13 to a 15% move, which total will give gold about a 20% drop to the downside, which I'm expecting anywho, right? So this is, as you can see, because that's that support level from there. So this is, the gold is now going to be becoming very, 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 very frothy. This is towards the end of the move, the parabolic move we've experienced. And as you're seeing right now, it has run out of steam, right? No more big up weeks. What's happened for the last 4 weeks? Absolutely nothing. Why? Because it's run out of steam. This is game over for the bulls for now anyway. I do see by looking at gold that this gold here is probably going to have a big move on the downside right through here, and then I see a really big move back up towards, then I see a 10,000 gold. But for now, this short term, this here right now, It's starting to become really, 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 really frothy. And for you guys that are trading gold, for you guys that are now starting to jump on the FOMO bandwagon, right? Because gold's going to go to the moon. As you can see, no moon action for the last 4 weeks. We're running out of steam. We've just gone through a parabolic move. This is going to end, and it's actually already starting to end right now. This has become very, very, very frothy. And once again, if gold breaks this major support level, it is game over for gold.